Welcome. This is an introductory video to Intermediate Accounting 2, ACC 350, that is going to be delivered in a hybrid mode. When you log on to the Flagler LMS for this course, this is the main page that you will be brought to. Here on the left side, you can see we have a number of sub-choices among our main page. We have a link to an overview of how our hybrid course will work. Please take a few minutes to read through the information about the hybrid class. You'll also have links so you can view attendance records. I want to caution you that since this is a hybrid course and we have fewer face-to-face classes, the Flagler attendance policy requires me to administratively withdraw any student that misses 20%, while the computer switched modes, 20% of the class, which in the hybrid will mean that that is only 2 classes, so 1 less than the normal evening class. On the attendance link, you can see our class schedule. You'll note that in the first week we will actually have 3 scheduled meetings. However, the meeting for Monday, January 7th, will strictly be an introductory to the hybrid method. You will be dismissed early, at which time you will be commencing the online material that must be completed, and some of that material will be required for the class on January 8th. I will remain in the classroom on that Monday and assist any students to make sure you all get up and running with the various components of the course that will be delivered in the online format. In the coursework link, you will see the assessments. These are grouped by assignment types. The first item that will be due will be the quiz 1 that is due before class on the 8th, and a topic drill that will be required along with an online assignment. Both the topic drill and the online assignment are done through Connect, which is a product put out by your textbook publisher, McGraw-Hill. We'll have a separate video that looks at the Connect website and the types of assignments you'll be doing using Connect. From the main page, I prefer to work from the individual links. The first one is our handouts. You will see a number of files that are available to you. They're grouped by topics. The first one is administrative, background on the course, and then we get into our various topics. Each topic, at a minimum, will have lecture notes, which consists of a PowerPoint presentation. Each PowerPoint slide also has certain notes on them. I would encourage you to look through them. These can be used in conjunction with the chapter readings and will assist you completing the topic drills and quizzes. Our face-to-face classes will concentrate on working on problems. So there will be a workshop for each topic area. In the first topic, cash and accounts receivable, we're going to do something a little different. I have some custom-made problems. These are not for grading. These will be worked on in class. You can work with other students, you can work on your own, and I will be there to assist you and answer any questions or show you any techniques in Excel that will help speed your completion of these assignments. There is a template, an Excel template, that is associated with these problems. For the first topic, please print out this Word document, the in-class workshop, since these problems are not in your textbook. And such as this in the first topic, there may be some other types of readings that I'd like you to look at. Here we have a file regarding the use of measurements, judgments, and risks when it comes to accounting, so some overview. So each topic will have a series of documents. Under the bookmarks, you will get a direct link to the McGraw-Hill Connect site. We have a link to the FASB codification, and as you see, it contains the username and password to get the access through the American Accounting Association. There are other valuable links for you that are really outside of the course, but something you may be interested in. There's the McGraw-Hill ebook bookstore. There's the FASB website, and you can see Gleim Publications makes study guides and other things to help you for both the CPA exam and coursework during the accounting program. As a Flagler Tallahassee student, they provide us a 20% discount, so for serious students who are really interested in prepping for the CPA review, it may be well worth your while to take a look at the Gleim Publication website. For each topic, there is a number of videos that have been prepared to help you. These center around demonstration problems and sometimes more complex concepts and accounting theories. But for the most part, these are looking at demonstration problems. Again, in our coursework, as detailed in the syllabus, we have examinations, 2 of them, a midterm and a final. Each has 2 parts. Part 1 is a multiple choice section that is closed book and note. It is taken through the portal. It's an online exam. The second part will use the file exchange feature. It will require you to complete Excel problems based on the coursework. We'll be doing 2 simulations. The simulation 1 will begin in class, where I'll be available to help you understand the problem and get started. You'll be required to upload a product at the end of the class, but you will have an opportunity to edit that work and resubmit it. And any revised work will be the one that will be graded, and that revision you'll have a number of days to work on that. In addition to the workshops, you'll be working in the face-to-face classes on assignments. These are graded. They will use a file exchange. Again, you will have an Excel worksheet and a number of exercises and problems to work on. You can complete these. I will be available in the class to help you. So it is unlike an exam in that you can work with other students. You can ask for my assistance. Again, this is a critical part of our hybrid format, which requires you to do a lot of the base work online, gaining an understanding of key concepts and definitions, and then putting that to work in the form of applications in the classrooms, in the workshop, and the assignments. Quizzes are completed online, outside of class. They are generally due before the class that we are going to cover the material, so there will be due dates and due times, times which will the quiz will close prior to the class. You will have 2 attempts to take the quiz. The quiz uses pooled questions, so you'll get a fresh start each time on the 2, and we will use the average of the 2 assignments. And again, we'll have a separate video on how to work in Connect. So this is just to give you a little background before day 1. In day 1, we will go over extensively both the online requirements and the in-class requirements.